Hello viewers, today I am going to share with of you how to make passport size photo in your mobile phone. At first you have to open your Google browser and go to the search bar. Write down Cutout Pro. Go to Passport Photo Maker and click here. Upload image. Select the picture. If you want to change your photo background, go to here and click here. Then you can see here so many color have. Which one you want, you have to choose first. If you want to change your dress, you can go here and click here. You can select your dress, which one you want to use. If everything is complete, press the done and go to the download. Once complete the download, you have to go your gallery and you can see your photo from the gallery. Thank you very much. See you the next video.